Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you doing? Welcome to the lesson one. So let's start off with saying thank you to returning subscribers for your love and devotion. And thank you for new folks. Please have a seat. Enjoy the energy of the reading that we're doing for Pisces. Wow, what a week already. I know. So here we are for September 9th through the 15th. And the energy I'm feeling is that you're restless. You're restless just like a songbird sitting in a tree. A storm is blowing in and you are not hunkered in. You're restless. You're kind of pacing back and forth. You're trying to determine what's your best choice here. So, with that being said, let's find out what's happening, what you're facing, and hopefully get you a little advice. So the first card out for Pisces, the Nature's Whisper, is you're gonna have a breakthrough. It's going to click finally. It's like after all this time. Yes, that's it. A plus B is going to equal F, G, and D. Just like that. It's going to seem like you knew the answer all along. So what's this in regard to the circle of life tarot? I love that breakthrough. Are you kidding me? The magician. You're literally saying, I got the magic. I got the touch. This is my touch. This is everything. It's like you're in an 8-cylinder car and it's clicking on all 8 cylinders and you're just tearing up the road. You're avoiding obstacles, you're avoiding burdens, you're going for whatever it is that you see that's in your highest good. My songbird, no wonder you were restless. No wonder you had a lot on your mind. Alright, let's see what the tarot has to say. Alright, Spirit, what is like Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Today. I feel like I need to sneeze. Alright, so we had the Strength card. We had the 8 of Wands. We had the Star card. And we have you over here, my Piscean Hangman. So, you've been working yourself up to knowing that this is in your power. You are the one that has the power. Truly, you do. As a magician, you have the power to make things happen rather quickly. With the 8 of Wands, very quickly. This could be travel, communication, going over water. this is getting your point across. This is reaching the people, energy, places, things that you want to captivate. The thing that you find is your fantasy, is the thing that you feel will bring you actually. Not only is it what you desire, but it's something that makes you feel good all over. It makes your toes tingle, makes your lips curl up and smile. And then we have the hangman. Because this is a new perspective. That breakthrough over here. In recognizing that you are the magician, that you have all the tools you need. You are never lacking. Which I believe is what was in your mind beforehand. But now you see it differently. That this is a journey for you. For your happiness. And what else would you like to reveal to my Pisces, to my two fish? So we have the King of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords with the Page of Swords. I feel like Pisces, like you're getting ready to level up. You're taking control of what you desire. You're implementing your own ideals. You're not allowing others to hold you back on this. And with that, it's actually grounding you. It's making you more stable. And you're at the point in this journey, you're not going to give in. You're not going to give up. You're going to continue your effort. There's something here about someone not trusting you, not having faith in you. Please clarify the Page of Swords in reverse. They don't believe you. Are you dealing with the love of your life? Ace of Cups. It doesn't have to be a new love. It can be a repeat. Unless this is your breakthrough, that you're actually in love with this person and you're going to them and they don't trust what you're saying. And that's why the Page of Swords is here. That they feel like, Pisces, that you're love bombing them instead of being honest and truthful with them. What advice can we get for Pisces? We're going to take that from the bottom of the deck. So we get the Death card, Page of Wands, the Two of Wands, cross-eyed the Empress. Your person, your place, your thing. You've been missing them. And you want to stop that phase and start having the phase, a new phase of being with them and being able to express your love. that will bring you wish fulfillment. You're ready to take a very rapid, quick approach to bring balance to the situation. Dang! It just keeps on going. But you're advice. So what Spirit is saying here with the Page of Wands. Speak softly. Communicate. Communicate clearly. Communicate thoroughly. Don't leave chance for misinterpretation. So you can transform this connection towards your highest good with the Empress to start over, to have a new beginning, to birth this relationship together. Together. I like that. And the last card is the Eight of Swords. Okay, well, you know, this person who didn't trust you, it's going to take a hot minute. They're feeling a little bit overwhelmed with how you're acting now versus how you acted before. But they're very drawn to you. They see you as their soulmate. And that this is a grand opportunity. Wow, I love this. I think get ready for love because here it comes. It's just going to take a minute. Let them get comfortable, okay? So quit being restless, my little songbird. I love y'all. If y'all subscribe to this channel, please hit subscribe. Hit like, hit that notification bell. And don't hesitate to then click yes to get all notifications. Remember, I love you dearly. And I will see you soon. Namaste.